Hey guys, it's Ashlyn and welcome back to my channel. Let's not talk about where I've been, but let's talk about where I am now, which is in a new apartment. I moved out of the dorm, which is why the lighting sucks, because this is a garden apartment. So the lighting quality isn't the best, but we gotta make do with what we have. I wanted to share with you guys what an $800 studio apartment looks like in Chicago. Not only in Chicago, but I am in Wrigley Field / Boys Town. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what my apartment looks like. $800 studio. Shad is trying to climb up the tripod right now. So without any further ado, MTV Cribs mode starting now. Alright everybody, this is the $800 studio apartment that I live in Boys Town. And that's the end of the video. Thanks, kidding. Okay, so we'll just tackle this room by room. Whenever I first walk in, I have this little rug and this plant. I do live in a garden studio, so I don't really have the best lighting, but then here I am. I have this little mirror. This is what I use for like drawers and storage. Glasses, plant, oil diffuser, and then I have my couch. I got this couch from IKEA. And I like this couch because of the shelving underneath. I have some art pieces hanging in front of that I got from Target. We'll go over here to the little window that I do have. So there are bars outside of my window. And it's summertime, so I have an AC unit. Have a nice little hanging basket here. It is perfect for the amount of plants that I do have. Here I just have a little shelf area. Little boho shelf area. Here I have a little entertainment center with my record player, plants, my Switch, TV, books, all that good stuff. This entertainment center is from Amazon and you can make it smaller and bigger depending on where you live. And I also have hanging above that this really cute print that I got from Society6, and then just an IKEA lamp. Turning around, I have a little IKEA desk with lamp, laptop, all that good stuff. Have this little key shelf for my keys and my watch stuff that I just want to like grab and go. And then here's my door. Then taking you guys to my kitchen, which I'm actually really happy with. The person that had this apartment before was really messy and didn't really use the kitchen to its full potential, but I do. And one thing that I really like about this studio apartment is that everything is me size, which means I can stand on my flat feet and reach everything. So I have my fridge, obviously. I have a lot of counter space for this only being $800 a month. I have a built-in microwave, a really nice little oven. And right here you can like set things on. And on to my little hallway area. Whenever I say little, I mean little. All of my closet space, all of my clothes with like a little rack up there for me to hang any of my stuff on. Down there is where I keep Shad's litter box. And I have little hooks here for my dog walking bag, my purses, umbrella, hats. Now moving on to my favorite room in the whole house. I bought this apartment solely because how freaking awesome this bathroom is. So this is my bathroom. Whenever you walk in, I have a sink with storage underneath. I have bought this for like my fingernail polish, hair stuff, my mirror, toilet, don't need to go that in depth that. Then I have a built-in installation back here where I keep all of my skincare products, my hair care products, all of that good stuff. I'm sure you guys have seen this little piece follow me around from apartment to apartment where I keep all my necklaces. Shower curtain, but this is my favorite part of the whole apartment. Wablam! Really, really, really nice shower. I have lived in 4 apartments now in my life, and I've never had a shower that I love so much. I love it because in here there's obviously really good lighting, and it's a really good place for more plants. I really like this shelf that I can have all of my shower stuff on. You guys, that is pretty much it. This is one more view of my $800 studio apartment here in Wrigleyville. For me, location is everything, and so whenever I moved to this place, all I really cared about was how close it is to a red line stop and how cute I knew that I could make it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!